Hey there! Welcome to our YouTube video where we'll tackle a common issue that many of us face when dealing with HDDs. The problem we'll be discussing today involves a damaged sector on a hard drive that is causing some trouble. We want to force a relocation of this bad sector to prevent any further issues from cropping up. Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. As mentioned earlier, one way to tackle this issue is by using a specific command called if equals dev0 of equals devsdexbs equals 4096 count equals 1 seek equals 170300964 code. This command helps enforcing a write operation to a particular logical sector, thereby potentially resolving the problem. It's important to note that this approach may involve clobbering more than just the single problematic sector, so proceed with caution. In conclusion, we've discussed how to interpret and address a bad sector issue on HDD. By understanding the LBA concept and utilizing the deadcode command with the specified parameters, you could potentially force a remapping of the bad sector. We hope this video has been informative and helpful to you. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy problem solving!